I'm excited. It's autopsy time. Check this out. Alright, so we opened up that breaker from the last video, and this is what I wanted to show you. Inside every breaker, you have a set of contact plates. These open and close to allow current to flow. That soot is from arcing. When the contacts start to wear out or lose pressure, electricity can actually jump across the gap instead of flowing smoothly. That's what creates heat and carbon buildup on the contacts. When carbon builds up like this, it makes the connection more resistive. So instead of electricity flowing cleanly through the contacts, like this, you start getting resistance, heat, and vibration. And that's usually where that buzzing sound in a panel comes from. The contacts inside the breaker are basically arcing and chattering under load. In this case, the breaker was feeding electric baseboard heat, which is a long duration resistive load. That means it's pulling steady current for long periods of time, which can expose weak contacts inside a breaker, such as the ones that we just saw.